is the Marsh-made FET common source amplifier for measuring the amplification and find the graph frequency versus gain. For input of the amplifier, we have required optional accessory as a function generator, and for see the output, signal output, we required oscilloscope. Firstly, connect function generator to CRO directly to set the waveform. Here we set 100 Hz and 0.2 volt peak to peak from the function generator. Now take the signal and fed this signal to input of the common source amplifier. Input comes from the function generator, 0.2 volt starting from the 100 Hz, and output comes to CRO. In this experiment, we make the graph between gain versus frequency. Here we connected input and here connected oscilloscope output. Connect any one of the resistance with dotted line here, and from here you get the gate resistance. Now set the waveform to 100 Hz, 0.2 volt. Now increase the frequency and note down the output amplitude. Here we have the table in the manual. Frequency you have to read from this function generator. Input signal we have already set it. Output signal measured at oscilloscope. Find the gain, output upon input, and make the graph between gain and frequency. Here frequency on x-axis and gain on y-axis to find the bandwidth. Switch on the instrument, and here we get the amplification. Set the oscilloscope, adjust and measure the output waveform. Increase the frequency and note down the output amplitude. As we know, the common source amplifier have larger bandwidths. At higher frequency, output will be drop, so that gain will be dropped. Here clearly seen on the oscilloscope screen, the output amplitude is dropped. Here we have load resistance. The use of load resistance to measure the output impedance. Suppose at this point you note down the output impedance. Short this terminal. Now set the resistance, variable resistance, so that output should be half without load, and after applying load it should be at half its value. Switch off the instrument, note down the resistance, and this is the output impedance of the amplifier, so that we can find out the output impedance and as well as frequency versus gain graph with the help of this gate. Thank you.